I am a pretty brown girl.
I am a pretty brown girl.
I pledge to dream big.
I pledge to dream big.
Born out of one Michigan mother's frustration, this could be a form of Girl Scouts for a diverse 21st century.
Many of the reality shows, they're sending messages to girls of you have to either backbite or fight with each other, whether it be physically, emotionally, psychologically, and it's just not true.
In 2010, Sherry and Corey Crawley created a small product line. They called it Pretty Brown Girl. And it wasn't just a doll, it was a message they wanted their little girls to embrace.
We wanted to really be able to not only develop the doll, but an entire product line that celebrates the shades of brown all over the world. This is not just an African-American issue.
But something happened as they traveled the country selling their dolls, t-shirts, and other wares.
We started getting calls from people asking, how can I join the movement? Do you need me to volunteer?
So they recently launched the Pretty Brown Girl group and opened membership up to families around the globe.
And we have a Zumba class, and we have mother-daughter's pictures.
Deleskia Butler is a military mom working at Fort Knox in Kentucky. Her daughter is usually the only brown girl in her class. So she jumped at the chance to start a group to remind her child that she really isn't alone.
To me, it just builds their self-esteem, tells them who they are, just not to forget,
With an African-American first family celebrated with magazine covers and TV segments, some critics wonder if movements like the ones the Crawleys have started are really needed. Sherry Crawley says absolutely.
And our girls need to see strong images of women of color working together, building together.
From Missouri to the Bahamas, some 30 Pretty Brown Girl groups have been started since February. Bianca Davey, Associated Press.